Hello friends, welcome to my channel Floral Style. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. Today I am going to show you designer sarees. You are seeing plain organza sarees on which you can do freehand paintings and designer hand works. You can order all types of sarees in this video by contacting the number given. Now you are seeing plain silk sarees. Order you place will reach your home directly. Cost of the sarees are very reasonable and at wholesale rate. Link of Instagram of SK Designer Sarees is given in the description below. Those who are interested in learning freehand painting and other courses, do see Aparna Arts and my number is given in the description to join online classes. These plain silk sarees are of very good quality for painting and hand embroidery and other hand works. If interested in buying these sarees, do contact to the number given in this video and you can buy the other designer sarees too. Till now you have seen few of these plain sarees, silk sarees and organza sarees. Now you will be seeing designer collection.
Hello friends, today I'll show my saree collection. I have right now I have different varieties of sarees in my collection, like some of fancy sarees and pattu and cotton and handloom linens. First I'll start with this Tussar Kanta. This is the all over work on Tussar Kanta silk saree. It's a beautiful saree. All over the saree is like this. Yeah. This is the pallu. Yeah. This is one more beautiful trendy designer saree. This is Banaras Georgette saree. All over it's a digital print saree and full weaving saree it is. Yeah. We'll see here back side of the saree, and border of the saree is like this. This is the pallu. Yeah, it's a designer contemporary exclusive saree. Yeah, this is organza saree. It's very trendy and unique designer saree in organza. Yeah, complete it's organza chikankari. Actually the work is chikankari work. This is the pallu of the saree, and all over the saree is like this. Yeah, it's a beautiful organza chikankari, trendy. Now organza is in very trend. Yeah, thank you. This is the new designer collection in red color for festivals and for any type of occasion. This goes very well. This is Banaras. It's a Meenakari Paithani border. It's all over sarees like this. This kind of design. This is called Garchola. Yeah, the border of the pallu. This pallu of the saree is like this. Yeah, it's a very unique and designer saree. Yeah, this is one more designer piece in my collection. This is a beautiful shimmer saree. Yeah, all over the saree is like this. Beautiful digital print shimmer saree, and complete handwork of pearls. Complete saree is like this, cut work border, and the pallu of the body. This is a beautiful Chanderi silk saree. Beautiful pink. This is body and this is the pallu. Yeah, unique color combo, pink and orange. Yeah, the saree, body of the saree is like this with flower motifs. This is the back side of the saree. Yes. Yeah, this is one more beautiful Chanderi in my collection. Yeah, beautiful Chanderi Lehriya design. This is, yeah, complete all over the saree is like this, and this is the pallu of the saree. Yeah, it's very unique and designer piece. Yeah, this is the beautiful digital print saree, crepe silk. Yeah, complete all over the saree is like this. Yeah, it's very unique and designer piece. It's very simple party wear. This is the pallu, and we'll do customization for blouses and this kind of pallu knots also. Yeah, this is the beautiful Kanchi saree, pure Kanchi silk saree. Yeah, now it's very trendy, this type of horizontal lines. Beautiful border, traditional border in Kanchi, and this is the blouse, and this is the pallu. It's really a very beautiful saree for wedding and any type of traditional occasions, festivals, and it's a pure gold zari saree. Yeah, this is one more beautiful collection in Kanchi. Yeah, beautiful lavender color, silver zari, contemporary style. Yeah, all over saree is like this, complete brocade saree. This is the pallu of the saree. It's very intricate weaving. Beautiful pallu knots. Today this is the beautiful linen saree with digital prints. It's a pure linen 100 count with designer digital prints. It's a Mughalai design. You can see the design here, skirt border of the saree. Yeah, this is the blouse, very designer digital print, and this is the pallu, beautiful linen. Okay, this is one more beautiful linen in my collection. It is completely patola design, patola digital print. This is body. It's a bright color in blue and red combo. This is the pallu, and this is running blouse, like same digital print. Yeah, it's a beautiful linen. This is simple saree in cotton silk, for regular wear. Yeah, this is the pallu of the sari and this is the body. It's really suits for simple office wears and daily wear. Yeah, this is the blouse, and complete sari is like this. Start. Yeah, this is a simple kanchi cotton sari. It really goes with designer blouses for office and regular wear. This is the pallu, and it's a plain sari with the temple border and with the simple kanchi rudraksha border. It's a beautiful pure handloom for just regular wear and daily wear. Yeah, this is the beautiful simple cotton sari. This is body of the sari. Complete sari is like this. It checks. And this is the pallu. This is also for simple regular wear and office wear. This is pure patola bandhani sari, hand bandage. Yeah, complete body of the sari is like this. This is complete hand bandage, pure patola border. This is a very intricate work of bandage. This is the pallu. Yeah, this is the blouse. It's a running blouse. This is one more designer piece in bandage patola. It's a unique designer hand bandage. This is the patola border. The complete body of the sari is like this. Pallu. It's a patola pallu. And this is the blouse. It's a running blouse with super hand bandage. Yeah, this is a simple crepe bandage sari. It's a simple party wear. It's a complete lehriya design. This is pallu, and all over the body is like this with a unique tricolor combination. This is one more bandhani sari in model silk. It's complete unique design, north kind of sari. This is Ajrak prints. This is the body of the sari. This is the pallu. Beautiful pallu, Ajrak print, and this is the blouse. The fabric is very soft and flowy. It's a beautiful sari. This is beautiful collection in Benaras Kathan pure silk sari. Yeah, this is the body of the sari, and this is pallu. And yeah, complete sari is like this. Beautiful sari. This is the beautiful designer blouse. Beautiful handwork. crushed dupian sari. It's a unique designer piece, and the border is, it's a really very intricate border. Let's see the border work. This is body of the sari. Super color combination of green and pink. Yeah, this is the pallu. Very intricate motifs of peacocks, and this is the blouse. This is the blouse. Yeah, this is the blouse. Yeah, with running border. Complete sari is like this. Designer piece. Complete sari is like this. It's a full tissue sari, complete hand kardana work and gotapati work all over the sari. And this is the pallu. Very latest and trendy sari. This is the blouse. It's a very designer blouse with contrast combination. We have a simple work on this hands. This is the blouse. This is beautiful Venkatagiri silk sari. This all over the sari is like this. It's a beautiful orange and pink combination. We can shade the dual shade here. Complete sari all over the sari. And this is the beautiful pallu, contrast pallu. And this is blouse. Thank you guys. I hope you like all my collection. Thank you. Keep support me.
Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. See you. Bye bye. Keep watching.